This campaign was intended to position colors as the key factor of personalization for our consumers. So we want the bathroom to be the centerpiece of the home and colors to be the centerpiece of the bath. And our role was to establish colors in every Indian bathroom as successfully as possible. We wanted to drive increase in awareness for the brand and increase in consideration for the brand. So our target audience is the premium consumer in the top metro cities in India. I would say it's like A1, mostly in the urban markets, but we're also looking at other markets, but primarily a premium audience. We chose Times Internet primarily for two reasons. One is that the TI platform offers us the ability to reach a lot more people. They give us that scale. And with the ET platform, we're able to reach a more premium audience that fall into our target group. And so a combination of these made it really an easy choice for us. So at an overall level from the Times BLS study, we are seeing a lift of 6% in TOM and a favorability lift of 14%. And those are very encouraging numbers. They tie in very closely to other brand audits and studies we have done. So the results indicate that both from the Times campaign with the BLS study and our overall brand results, that our brand metrics are showing an upward swing due to our partnership with Times, and I think we are very hopeful of continuing that in the future. So with Web Chutney, the expertise they bring is not only their prowess and expertise in digital media, with bringing the creative aspect of the film also under that agency, we were able to marry the two very well together and execute in a far more impactful manner. I don't know if it's been done before, but we are very pleased with that experiment of giving our media agency, our digital media agency, more ownership on the creative messaging as well.
For this campaign, Colors by Kohler, we did an integrated approach of creative and media coming together, and we deployed a few tools to understand the audiences that we need to go after. These tools also included some of the Dentsu proprietary tools, including Dan Explore, which has been an outcome of a hard work of the Dan Data Sciences team, which is based out of Bombay. The tool, amongst many other platforms, also recommended to go after the audiences on Economic Times and Times of India. Specifically talking about Times of India and economictimes.com, 55% of the overall audiences expressed an intention to purchase the brand within next 6 to 9 months. Also, taking a further deep dive into the campaign, there was an increase of 14 base points that was noticed in the SPONT awareness and a 17 base points increase in the aided awareness of the campaign. From this campaign, we also observed that 55% of the overall audience is exposed from this campaign endorses Kohler as the market leader.
We are delighted to partner with Kohler and Web Chutney for this campaign. Times of India and Economic Times put together reaches to more than 200 million unique visitors in a month. We also used our audience network tool, which is Columbia Audience Network, to reach the audience, and we saw an uplift of 12% on Times of India and Economic Times. With three major partners coming together, Kohler, Times Internet Limited and Web Chutney, the success was inevitable, and we are looking forward for more such collaborations in future.